Hey there guys, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Dr. Scholl's Freeze Away Wart Remover. Yeah, I got this a while back ago. It was probably close to maybe 2.5 years ago. I used it because I had a wart on my back of my hand. I'm not really sure how I got it. Yeah, it was definitely a wart. I was going to go to the doctor to see about it and getting it removed, but a friend of mine said that there was a product on, just over the counter you could get, and it was the Dr. Scholl's. What it does is it actually freezes wart away with a freezing agent that is inside the kit here. It works pretty well. I mean, I had to just use 2 applications of it, and the wart dried up and fell off. Yeah, so how it's used is you open this up like this, and inside is the freezing solution here. And what you do is you take one of these, which is the applicators, and then you take this and you place it on top here, kind of screw it in. A little difficult to do with one hand, but I got it. Okay, and you screw that in nice and good, right? And then you place it inside here, which kind of activates it. You push down, right? And it gets the freezing reagent onto this part. It gets the freezing reagent onto this part here, this tip, right there, right? And like once you get it in there, and then you would proceed to place this part here onto the wart. You press it on, say, the back of your hand, and hold it there for I held it there for like up to a minute, just on there, and just letting it get cold on there. And it's just freezing it, freezing, and take it off, and you're good. It doesn't hurt. It's cold. I mean, you feel the coldness of it. It does what it's supposed to do. You will see it will turn red, and it pretty much, the cold of it actually just is killing all the virus that's in there that's causing the wart. It kills all the cells and everything on that part of the skin. So it's going to take off the wart and part of that skin, just killing everything, so it will dry up. You'll be done with it, and it'll fall right off. It takes a few days for it to actually, go away. But you'll see it getting smaller and smaller. I had to do mine twice. You can do it up to 1 application and have it work. I had to do mine twice because mine was pretty stubborn, I guess, And this treatment here is good for 7 applications. Yeah, you can do it up to 7 times. I mean, you shouldn't need to do that with just the 1 wart that you had, but you can do 7 different warts if you have to, each doing what for 1 application each. Yeah. What you got to really make sure of is the fact that what you're using this for is actually a wart. Okay, now if you use this on anything other than a wart or a certain kind of wart, it just has to be a wart. If you're using it on something else that you just think is a wart and it's turning out to be something else, you run the risk of making whatever that thing is on your skin worse, possibly very, very worse. So just be sure you know what a wart looks like and that it's actually a wart that you're getting rid of, because for one, it will not work on anything but warts. I mean, and like I said, you may be making things worse if use it for something else. But yeah, I liked it a lot. This is not something you should have to use a lot, because I haven't had a wart since then. But it worked. It actually took it away, and I was satisfied with it. It was really good. It did very well. Okay, guys. Well, that's the Dr. Scholl's Freeze Away Wart Remover. I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you again next time. All right. Bye-bye.